Big Brother 27 came to a dramatic close with a finale that fans will be talking about for years. After a summer filled with backstabbing, strategic gameplay, unexpected twists, and emotional battles, one house guest rose above the rest and claimed the title of Big Brother 27 winner. Host Julie Chen Moonves, who has guided audiences through the franchise for decades, called the winner's performance a masterpiece, praising the way the game was played with both precision and artistry. The declaration immediately sparked excitement across the Big Brother community, leaving fans eager to dissect exactly what made this season's champion stand out as one of the most memorable in recent history. The journey to the Big Brother 27 crown was not an easy one. This season tested house guests like never before, with new twists forcing players to adapt quickly or risk elimination. Alliances shifted constantly, blindsides kept viewers on the edge of their seats, and competitions showcased both physical strength and mental endurance. Through it all, the eventual winner managed to navigate the chaos with a level of foresight and control that impressed not only the jury but also longtime host Julie Chen Moonves. When she labeled the performance a masterpiece, she wasn't exaggerating. Every move was intentional, every conversation carefully crafted, and every alliance served a purpose. The final weeks of the game highlighted the winner's true strength, adaptability. While other house guests faltered under pressure, this player consistently found a way to stay in the center of power. Whether it was winning a crucial head of household competition, securing safety with a timely power of veto, or convincing others to turn on their own allies, the winner displayed a mastery of both strategy and social maneuvering. Julie Chen Moonves noted in her post-finale reflections that the winner played the game in layers, building relationships while dismantling threats one step at a time. That kind of layered gameplay is rare, and it's part of why fans are now debating where this winner ranks among the greatest Big Brother champions of all time. The finale itself was the culmination of weeks of planning. Going into the final three, tensions were high as each remaining house guest had a clear case for victory. The competitions were grueling, testing memory, endurance, and mental sharpness. Yet, the winner stood out by not only excelling in competitions but also using social skills to ensure the jury saw the bigger picture of their game. By the time the final speeches were delivered, it was clear that the winner had crafted a narrative that resonated deeply with the jury members who held their fate. Every bold move, every alliance formed, and every betrayal carried purpose, and the jury respected that level of intentional gameplay. Julie Chen Moonves' praise of the game as a masterpiece carried weight because of her unique vantage point. As the host of every season since the show's inception, she has witnessed all types of gameplay, dominant, under the radar, chaotic, and calculated. For her to elevate this performance above so many others speaks volumes. She described how the winner's ability to control the tempo of the season without appearing overtly threatening was the key to success. Other players took bigger swings, but they also made bigger mistakes. This champion struck a balance, staying involved in every major decision while ensuring they weren't perceived as the biggest target until it was too late for anyone to stop them. The reaction from fans online mirrored Julie's enthusiasm. Social media lit up with praise for the winner's journey, with many calling it one of the most compelling arcs in years. Hashtags celebrating the victory trended immediately after the finale aired, and debates erupted about how this performer NCE compared to past winners like legends from Big Brother history. Some argued the winner's ability to stay calm under pressure reminded them of earlier champions, while others pointed to the innovative ways the winner navigated twists as proof that Big Brother strategy continues to evolve. Another aspect that stood out was the emotional journey. The winner wasn't just a cold strategist, they formed genuine bonds inside the house. Several jury members admitted during the finale that personal relationships played a big role in their vote. The winner had built trust with them during the season, and even when blindsides occurred, those bonds were strong enough to withstand betrayal. Julie Chen Moonves highlighted this balance between strategy and humanity, noting that the game is not just about moves on a board but about real people nagging complex emotions in a high-stress environment. The ability to play both sides, head and heart, cemented the victory as a well-rounded triumph. The finale also underscored how much the Big Brother franchise has grown over its 27 seasons. Each year, the bar for strategy gets higher, and each new winner must find creative ways to outplay their opponents. Julie Chen Moonves' characterization of the winner's performance as a masterpiece reflects that the game still has the power to surprise and inspire. Longtime viewers often worry that strategies will become repetitive, but the season proved that fresh approaches and new personalities keep the show evolving. The winner not only adapted to the twists but also set a new standard for how to balance visibility and subtlety in the house. For future players, this season offers a masterclass in Big Brother gameplay. The champion demonstrated that it's possible to be a central figure without being the obvious target. They showed that social relationships are just as critical as competition wins, and that timing matters more than anything. Knowing when to strike, when to step back, and when to take ownership of moves made all the difference in securing jury votes. Julie Chen Moonves' praise served as validation that the winner's approach was not only effective but also entertaining, which is the ultimate goal of Big Brother. As the confetti fell and the winner celebrated with fellow house guests, fans were left reflecting on a season filled with unforgettable moments. The masterpiece label will likely follow this winner for years, becoming part of their legacy in the Big Brother universe. Already, discussions about future All-Star seasons are surfacing, with many hoping to see this winner return to test their skills against other champions. If that happens, Julie Chen Moonves' declaration may become a rallying point, challenging the winner to live up to the reputation they've earned. Big Brother 27 will be remembered as a season defined by bold choices, shocking blindsides, and one of the most impressive winner stories in recent memory. Julie Chen Moonves summed it up best when she explained that the performance was not just gameplay, it was art. And in a show built on strategy, deception, and resilience, achieving something worthy of being called a masterpiece is no small feat. The champion of Big Brother 27 didn't just win the game, they elevated it, leaving an indelible mark on the history of reality television. Thanks for watching this video and please subscribe our Beyond Big Brother YouTube channel for more update news.